Hello Andrew, it's the Rob here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Harley Davidson Road Glide. The bike is 2013, has just 6,500 miles on it. It's about 11,000 kilometers. This is the price, $2388 plus HSD and licensing. The motorcycle is in excellent condition and comes fully certified. It does have some small upgrades like the bolt covers here, those braided brake lines, they are extended over here because it has the about 14-inch ape hangers. All the wires are through this pipe in. Has little upgrades on the covers here, on the sides, on the both side. Actually, it looks very cool and nice. So it has a tool pack on it. Oh, it's locked. Fortunately, can't open it. And has a Vance & Hines dual exhaust. It sounds just perfect. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.